Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this file extractions, zip to file extractions in Windows 11. You might have facing this error when you open the zip file. For example, I'm getting this error and unexpected error is keeping you from copying the file. You might be getting this error if the zip file is password protected. So I'm going to cancel this. It's extracted, but there will not be any files inside. So I'm going to close this. One more time, I just want to show that I'm trying to extract this, extract all. This is a zip file, extract all, extracting. So I'm getting this unexpected error. So I'm going to cancel this. So choose the zip file and right click it and choose show more options or press shift F10. Show more options. Here I'm going to choose the 7-zip and here extract to Adobe. So this is password protected. So entering the password. So it started extracting. So I have successfully fixed this issue in Windows 11. Now I am going to open this folder. Open. So you can see this file is extracted successfully. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.